How to fix picture sending problem in IMO. Let's start without delay. Follow my all step properly. First go to your phone setting. Like this video and follow my all these steps. Go to manage app and clear IMO data. Open and search IMO. Click on clear cache. Check if of all permission are given. Update IMO app from Play Store. Search IMO. See your problem solved successfully. For any problem solved, please subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any video later.